Hello, teachers. Every minute spent marking attendance manually is a minute taken away from teaching. With Smart Attendance J&K on SwiftChat, you can record attendance in seconds, digitally and accurately. Smart Attendance saves time on administrative tasks and gives you more time to teach. No registers, no repeated paperwork. Just simple, quick attendance from your phone. In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how to use it. Step 1. To use the Smart Attendance J&K chatbot, Android users can download the SwiftChat app from the Play Store, while iOS users can download it from the App Store. From here, the process remains the same for both Android and iPhone users. To set up your profile, select your preferred language and enter your mobile number. You will receive a 4-digit OTP via SMS. Enter the OTP on the screen and click Confirm. Next, complete the profile setup by entering your correct name and selecting the state and city. This will help you receive all important updates and notifications on time. Click Continue to proceed. Step 2. Open SwiftChat and tap the scan icon at the top right corner. Scan the QR code shown in this video. When the chatbot opens, type Hi and select your language. Next, enter your school UDICE code, followed by your teacher code. After verifying your details, click on Take Student Attendance. Select the class and section, then click on Record Attendance. By default, all students are marked present. Simply change the status for students who are absent. Next, you can submit the attendance right away or use the 20-second window to review and make changes. If something goes wrong in between, tap Reset to mark everyone as present again and retake attendance easily. Once submitted, the attendance is successfully recorded. To mark attendance for another class, click on Change Class, select the class and section, and again click on Record Attendance. To view reports, go to the menu and select Attendance Status. Next, click on Student Attendance Report and then Daily Report. You can view the attendance status and click on Class Report to generate the attendance report. Tap on the file to download the report. With Smart Attendance, you can mark attendance in just a few clicks, access class-wise attendance instantly, download clear attendance reports, track irregular attendance patterns easily. This helps you take timely action and maintain accurate digital records. Smart Attendance saves time on administrative tasks and gives you more time to teach. Step 3. You can easily share the Smart Attendance J&K chatbot with your colleagues. Just click on the 3 dots at the top of the screen, select Share Bot, and send the link through WhatsApp or any platform you prefer. Share the joy of saving time by introducing the attendance chatbot with other teachers in Jammu and Kashmir. If you face any problem or need help, tap the Help option at the top right corner of the screen. There, you will find answers to common questions in the FAQs section. This will help you quickly find answers to common queries faced by other users. If you do not find the solution you are looking for, tap on Contact Us at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here, you will find the support helpline number and email ID. Our support team is available Monday to Saturday, 9:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. and they can help you in English, Hindi and Urdu. Want to share your experience? Just tap on the bot name at the top of the screen. You can rate the chatbot and share your feedback. Your feedback helps us improve this product and bring new features. To stay updated and receive more such informative videos, subscribe to the Jammu and Kashmir Vidya Samiksha Kendra e-content YouTube channel and turn on bell notifications. Thank you.